Hi, my name is Doug from Reliance. We have an appointment and I'll be the one coming to your home. You're seeing this video because I think you'd like to know who you'll be visiting with and what we'll be covering. I've spent my life in the construction industry helping homeowners, and I'll do whatever I can to make this a great experience for you. You've made a great decision by considering Reliance. Reliance is the most recognized brand in the home comfort industry today, and we've earned our place by helping people like you, homeowners, coast to coast for years. We will be talking about your future plans, what you're looking for, and what I can do to help, whether it's furnaces, air conditioning, water softeners, purifiers, or the new Google Smart Home systems. We'll look at the options, and I'll help you choose what meets your needs and fits your budget. You can afford more with Reliance than you think. 7 out of 10 are going with the rental option because it's easier. But if you choose to own, we can do that too. I look forward to meeting you, and together we'll come up with a plan that meets your needs and fits your budget. I'll see you soon. Thank you.